Hello, welcome to TechPoint Fundamental YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the most interesting feature introduced in C Sharp 8, that is virtual interface method. So until C Sharp 8, all the interface members are public and abstract by default. But in C Sharp 8, Microsoft has introduced the funda of a virtual method. This is also called virtual extension method, and each and every virtual method have their own default body definition. So in this video we will learn the what is virtual interface method and how we can use these virtual interface methods in C Sharp 8. So we will cover all these 10 questions with practical demo in this video. So let's quickly go one by one here. So what is the keyword virtual means, and what is the use of virtual keywords in C Sharp 8? So basically virtual means when you modify any you can say you can declare any method or property or indexer as virtual, then it means the definition of this method or property may be changed in the derived entity, whether it is class or interface, right? So because this virtual method may be overridden in the derived class or interface, then this virtual method have their own default body implementation. If there is no overridden method in the derived class, then the base interface method or base class method will be called automatically. So the second point, can you have virtual interface members in C Sharp 8? Yes, in C Sharp 8 interface we can have a virtual method. Also we can specify the virtual keyword explicitly here. So let's quickly go to the practical. So yeah, I have written a simple program, simple basic console application, where we can see all the points one by one. So here, if you see here virtual, we have kept this virtual keyword here explicitly, right? So if you see here this one, here we are not providing any virtual keyword explicitly, but yes, these all methods are virtual, whether you are specifying any virtual keywords or not. Any interface member which have body definition all are all virtual by default, unless or until they are decorated with sealed or private modifiers. So if you see here, if you run this program, let me see if there is any error. No, there is no error, and this program is compiled and run successfully. So what happen if you remove this virtual keyword from here, right? Run again, there will be no impact at all. The program will run and execute and work as it is, right? So there is no difference whether you are keeping this virtual keyword or not. But remember, whenever you are making any member as private, in that case you can't mark this as virtual. You see here, right? it will give a compile time error. Q because if you defining any method as private, then it will be no longer accessible to the derived class. And by virtual means this method mm, definition may be changed in the derived class entity. Basically this is used for the overriding for the derived class, right? So if you are making this method at private, then it will be no longer accessible to the derived class or interface. In that case there is no meaning for this virtual here, so that's why it is providing you the error. Virtual or abstract member cannot be private. Same here, if you are making this sealed, right, in that case also you will get the same error message at compile time. Can this method cannot be sealed because it is not an override, right? So again, all the interface member which have their body definition are virtual by default unless they are decorated with sealed or private modifiers. All right, so let's quickly move to the next question. Can you have interface virtual members? Yes, we can have any interface member as virtual, and we can also have virtual keywords explicitly for any interface member. Can you have a virtual interface member without body definition? No, you can't have any interface member which is virtual and it is not providing any body, so you must have to provide the definition for the virtual interface member. If you see here in this example, if let me make one more method definition, public void test, right? And if you are making this virtual, let's see, it is asking for providing the definition of this method because you are marking this as virtual. So it is mandatory that you have to provide the body definition whenever you are making any method as virtual. So can you have private virtual interface member in C Sharp 8? No, you can't make any virtual interface member as private, because if you are making any uh, member as private, then it will be no longer accessible to the derived class or interface. In that case there is no meaning for making it private and virtual. By default the virtual meaning is it the definition of the member or method, whatever you say, it will, yeah, it may change in the derived class entity. That's why we can't make any private uh, member as virtual, as we have seen earlier in this. You cannot make any uh, member as virtual if it is decorated with private or sealed modifiers. Similarly, can you have static virtual interface member in C Sharp 8? No, you can't have any virtual member as static. If you see here, if you try to mark this method as static, then it will provide error. Let's see this. If you are making this member as virtual, a static member cannot be marked as override, virtual or abstract, right? If you are making any member as a static, then you can't have a virtual keyword. You have to remove this and it will work fine, right? This is static member. If you run here, you will get the result and there will be no error at all, right? So yes, you can't have any uh, virtual member as static. Can a class override the virtual interface member in C Sharp? Yes, a class can also override the virtual interface members, but for overriding you have to provide the explicit implementation. You cannot override any virtual member of interface with implicit implementation. So in this program, if you see here, in interface I base interface, we have three virtual uh, members here, and if you see in this class which inheriting I base interface, right? So here I have overridden the base interface virtual method, right? This method, and here I have overridden this method explicitly. When we are uh, providing definition for any interface member explicitly, in that case we have to provide this uh, interface name dot then the method name. Also you cannot provide any access modifier when you are providing the explicit definition. If you try to here put any access modifier like public, then it will provide a compile time error. See, modifier public is not valid for this item here, right? So please make sure when you are making any definition explicitly in the derived class, then you can't have any access modifier at all. So this is the explicit overriding in the class. Also, if you are overriding the base interface virtual method, then the interface, the inheriting interface, also you have to provide the explicit virtual method overriding, otherwise it will hide the base interface method. If you see here in this method, I have not provided any explicit definition. In that case, this will hide the base interface method, default method, right? So if you are trying to override any base interface virtual member, then you have to provide the explicit definition, explicit implementation for that base interface member. Yes, so the answer for this question, yes, you can override the base interface method in the class, but by providing explicit implementation for that member. Can you have an override keyword explicitly for an overridden interface member in C Sharp 8? No, you cannot have any uh, override keyword explicitly. If you are providing the implementation with explicit definition, then it will override the base interface virtual member. There is no need to provide override keyword explicitly. If you are trying to do so, it will provide you the compile time error. If you see here, this method override definition, if you try to put override keyword here, then it will generate the error. The modifier override is not valid for this item, whether you are without implicit or explicit, no matter how we are providing the definition, but you cannot have any override keyword explicitly for any interface member. Can you make an overridden interface member as sealed in C Sharp 8? No. As you know that this is the feature in C Sharp traditional version. In for class you can make any uh, member as shield in the derived class, right? But in C Sharp 8 you cannot make any overridden interface member as shield explicitly here. If you see in this example, if you are trying to make this method as shield, right, so that no further interface can override this interface definition, then if you try to make this override definition as shield, then it will provide you the compile time error. The modifier shield is not valid for this item. So you cannot mark any overridden interface member definition as shield in C Sharp 8 interface, right? Can you make a virtual member as abstract in the derived interface? Yes, this is the most you can say the new feature which Microsoft has introduced with C Sharp 8. In C Sharp 8 interface, you can make any virtual class definition in the derived class as abstract. So if you are making any overridden definition as abstract, then the inheriting class which inherit this derived interface, that class must have to provide the definition for that uh, abstract overridden method. Let's quickly see this example. So here we have created a member, this base interface default virtual method, base interface default virtual method. This is virtual method without any virtual keyword, but if you see here the access modifier is protected internal, so you can have protected internal or protected uh, virtual members in interface. So if you see here, I have marked this virtual method as abstract, right? I have overridden this with abstract, so we are not providing any definition here. Yes, if you are making any overridden member as abstract, then you cannot provide any definition to that method, because as we know that by making a method as abstract, so you cannot provide any definition to that method. If you try to do so, you will get a compile time error. Cannot declare a body because it is a mark abstract, right? So you cannot make any definition if you are overriding any member as abstract, right? So the second point, if you are making this method as abstract here, to any class which inherit this interface derived interface, it must have to provide the definition for this member, abstract member, right? If you see here, I have inherited this derived interface in this class here, right? And in this class I have provided this definition here. If suppose if we are trying to remove this definition from here, then see, this is generating the compile time error, because you must have to provide definition for the overridden interface member. So yes, you can make a virtual interface member as abstract in the derived interface in C Sharp 8. Can you hide the concrete definition of base interface member in C Sharp 8? Yes, you can hide the base interface concrete member, means virtual member definition in C Sharp 8 interface here. If you are providing the implicit definition to the base interface member, if you see here, I have declared this definition here of base interface default method. And I have provided this definition with new keyword, and this is implicit. So if you make object of this object reference variable for this derived interface, then it will call this method, not the base interface method. So if you see here, I derived interface, this one, base interface default method, this is derived interface base. If you see here, this is called the method hiding. So yes, you can also hide the base interface uh, concrete member definition by providing implicit implementation in the derived interface with new keyword. If you remove this new keyword, there will be no impact at all, but the compiler will generate a warning if you are not providing this new keyword here. If you see here, this hide the inherited member, use the new keyword if hiding was intended. Yes, I am hiding this, and my intention is to hide the base definition, so you can have this new interface definition with new keyword. So I hope you have got all the point which I try to cover this. So I will provide this link in my description box. Also, if you try to do some R&D over this program, so you can visit this website link. I will provide the link in my description box, and here if you go down here, I have put this full program here, and you can go and play around with this. You can also run from here, and also you can edit or change this program uh, with this button here. So okay, thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. Thank you.